Drill work, guys, is extremely important. We need to make sure that when we're doing our drill work, when we're practicing, everything's focused and we know exactly what we need to execute when we're out there doing this. Now, one-handed drill work is very specific drill work and it should be used for a very specific reason. Now, regardless of what you're doing with your one-hand drill work, this applies across the board. We need to make sure we're doing this one thing properly. This is the most common thing I see incorrectly done when a hitter is working with their lead hand one-arm drills. And if you correct this, it's going to help you get it's going to help you get your results from your drill much faster. Now, guys, we got a lot of great content coming out this year, and if you don't want to miss out, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's the only way you can get notified when we come out with new content. And make sure you hit that like button. That really helps us grow the channel. And if you guys have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Leave them in the comment section below. So, guys, this can be really easily explained by simply knowing where your palm is facing. So you can imagine if I have an arrow coming out of my palm or a laser coming out of my palm, wherever my palm is pointing, that's where the laser is pointing. The most common thing I see done incorrectly when a player is working with their lead hand, like we do in the no chest progressions in the Pro Speed Baseball hitting system, is when they make their swing, they keep their palm facing down. So right now my palm is facing down. Guys, this is a very weak position muscularly and biomechanically. This is not the position we want to be in. If you were to just stand normally and you were just standing here talking to your friends or something and you were swinging a bat, you would naturally just let your hand roll over to a palm up position. And that's the adjustment we need to make. We don't want to keep our palm facing down the entire one-arm drill. We want to allow this bat to naturally release. So if I'm doing the one-arm drill, whether I'm making full swings or I'm doing, like I said, the no chest drills from the Pro Speed Baseball hitting system, I simply want to allow this palm to roll over. So essentially all this is happening, guys, is my palm is on top of the bat when I start, and it's going to be under the bat when I finish. Now I'm over exaggerating just a little bit here, but we never want to drag the bat through the zone. And this is what the palm down position does. If we try to maintain this palm down position, I end up having to drag the bat around versus just letting the natural speed and unhinging and unfolding of the elbow happen. So guys, get the palm facing up. Let me show you one here from down the line so that we can take advantage of getting our natural speed, but also by taking advantage of our natural biomechanics and how our body wants to work. Because if our body's working with the bat, it can move much faster. And if you're anything like me, I like moving this bat as fast as I possibly can. And again, that's what drill work is designed to do. Now, I got a great bonus for you guys. I'm actually going to play a preview from our All Access membership library that's going to show you another drill that, again, helps us move the bat much faster. This video is going to be from our membership website that you can get instant access to by simply clicking on the iCard or the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to now start showing how our weight shift is involved with the release of the bat. We just simply need to understand exactly where we want to be in our weight shift. So we're going to get a lot more specific. We're going to be talking about the timing of getting the back pocket in front of the tee at the same time we're hitting the ball. But the first thing we need to do, guys, is we need to rep this out and make sure that we can definitely get the weight transfer that we need. So we're going to put our arms across our chest. We're going to get at least 100 repetitions